Now we will discuss the MCQs of this chapter. So the first MCQ is, which of the following is not found in all bacterial cells? Option A, cell membrane. Option B, lysosomes. Option C, a nucleoid. Option D, a capsule. The right option is option D, capsule. Second है the major locomotor structure in bacteria all flagella, fibrae, pili या cilia. The right option is option A, flagella. Third है which of the following is the primary bacterial cell wall function? इनके cell wall का main function क्या है? Option A, transport. Option B, support. Option C, motility. Option D, adhesion. The right option is option B, support. Fourth है which of the following is present in both gram-positive and gram-negative cell wall? Option A, an outer membrane. Option B, peptidoglycan. Option C, teichoic acid. Option D, lipopolysaccharide. The right option is option B, peptidoglycan. Fifth है mesosomes are internal extensions of the option A, cell wall. Option B, cell membrane. Option C, chromatin body. Option D, capsule. The right option is option B, cell membrane. Sixth है bacterial endospore function in option A, reproduction. Option B, protein synthesis. Option C, survival. Option D, storage. तो right option है option C, survival. इसके साथ ही हमारे MCQs complete हो गए. In the next video we will discuss the Matric column.